You just saw me playing one of my favorite instruments, the body drum set. The great thing about being a drummer is that you have your instrument everywhere you go, your body. This is how it works. We've got our kick drum with our right leg. Play it with me. Here we go. Got that? There's our kick. All you got to do is stomp on the ground, or you could just use your toes. That's more how you might play it on the drum set. Excellent. We've got our snare drum, which we're going to play with our left hand on our left thigh. Play that with me. Yeah, let's do a little roll. Excellent. We've got our hi-hat on our left shoulder with our right hand. Here we go. Let's play it twice the speed. Those three things, the kick drum, the snare drum, and the hi-hat, make up the core of the drum set. Pretty much all of the grooves you learn are going to involve those three things: hi-hat, snare drum, kick drum. So that's our starting point, and that's what we're going to work with in the first part of this drum course. Let's start with a really simple groove. What I want you to do is go kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. Try that out with me. Okay, now we're going to bring in the band, and we're going to play that same groove. Here we go. The reason why the body drum set works so well is it's the same position as it would be if you were playing the real drum set. You've got your kick drum, you've got your hi-hat over here, and you've got your snare drum over here. So it really works out perfect. Now, I like to play this instrument in the subway, here at Little Kids Rock if I'm in a long meeting. Don't tell anyone about that. At the dinner table, wherever you want. You could always bring the body drum set with you. So work on your grooves while you're away from your drum set, and this way when you finally get to it, you'll be ready to go. If you don't have a drum set yet, don't wait to get started. Jump right in using this technique, and when you finally get it, you'll open the box, you'll put it together, and you'll be ready to play. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.